welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 106 cross-beam 2 left-hand mount bracket and 107 cross-beam 2 right-hand mount bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and this is creating this Clayton Undertype steam wagon. And then we're going to be doing part 1-6 cross beam 2 left hand mounting bracket and 1-7 cross beam 2 right hand mounting bracket. So we're going to be doing both of those. They're very similar, so I thought I'd do it one episode. So let's get going. Okay, so we're going to start in the right plane, and we're going to create a L shape again, C shape. So let's just do the box. I'll find actually the quickest way to do it. Trim, done. Now this is going to be a little bit different size. No, it's not. My mistake. It's still 25.5 and 51. And 3 and 3. Oh, and 3. So it's still the same. The only difference is it's going to be not quite so long. Okay, so feature through mid plane. Now it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 51. It's going to be 51 as well. Okay. 51. There we go. Oh, it wasn't as big. Let me just double check that. So it's 10, 10, 10, on 10, 20, 30, 40, 51. Yeah, 51. So that one's done. There we go. Now, before we go further, let's do the fillets. So it's going to be 3. That one and that one. Done. Fillet. That one. And that one, hold shift down so I can select both. But that's going to be 1.5. And done. There we go. Let me save this part as 1-06. And yes, override. Okay, so that's good. Now, we're going to do this one first. It's going to have 8 holes in it. The holes are going to be 5 mil. Now, so we go hole 5 mil through, so that's good. Now it's going to be 3 across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 in the middle. Match that one we had before on the chassis side. Okay, so escape once. Let's highlight these 3 and go to horizontal. Same with these ones. Horizontal. And these 2 horizontal. Now these 2 will go vertical. These 2 will go vertical. And they move stuff around. And these 2 will go vertical. Okay, good. Let me just move that one over there. That one there. That one there. Missed. There we go. And just bring that one in. Okay, excellent. So now these are going to be. Just zoom out a bit. Smart dimension 16, 16, 16, and 16. Okay, so that should be all that done roughly. Oh, hold on. Nope. Yeah, that one. Thank you. Oh, went straight out. 16. Now, this one to this one is going to be 8. That means this one should be 8. There you go. Perfect. 8. Excellent. Okay, so that's correct. Just double check some stuff over here. Okay, so now, yeah, smart dimension. We want this dot here. Where is it? There is that dot. And this one is going to be horizontal. And this one, actually, I would like to do this one first. That one and this one's going to be horizontal. There we go. So that's dead center in this thing. That's what we need. Correct. Yep. So we've got the band across the top, 3 there. Yep. Just make sure I had these correct way to that. So, okay. Okay. And there's our side one's done. Now, this one here, I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. I'm not going to do the whole wizard. You see why shortly. So let me... I'm going to do on this one. So I'm going to do this one here. So it's going to be... Where are we? I lost it. So it's going to be 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Now this makes sense when I do the second one, why I'm doing this way. Actually, hold on. No. Exit. Delete that sketch. I think I can do it with whole wizard. Let me see. Yes, I can. Okay. Still do the whole wizard. But these are going to be 5 as well. Okay, so it's going to be through all. Actually, yeah, no, through all. Let's stick with that one. 5 mil. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Now, let me move that way a bit. Measurements, thank you. No, actually not measurements. So I was just thinking different ways to do this. So let me just line up these 2 and those 2. There we go. Let's go to measurement, click OK, measurement. Now this is going to be, these are going to be 9.5 apart. That's going to be 10. That one's going to be 10. And this one's going to be 10. But this is going to be 10.5. Oh, that happened. What the hell happened? Go back. Thank you. Must have had something highlighted. Smart dimension. Come on. Thank you. 10, 10, 10, 9.5. Yep, that's still correct. And this is going to be 10.5. Yeah, that's in correct position. Let's just make sure that should be 10.5. Okay, so that's good. That's good. That's good. So we're going to click on that. And that's in there. Now, when we do the other one, when we do the one on top. Now, I'm not doing on this plane for a reason. You see why when I do the next bracket. So there's the next hole here. Has to be on this one. So let's go to hole wizard. It's going to be all the same. Nothing has changed. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We make these 2 horizontal and these 2 horizontal. Now we want these two. Oop, missed. Going to be 9.5, correct? Let me just, yep, 9.5. These two are going to be 10. 10. And 10. And this is going to be 10.5. And that should be 10.5. Perfect. Okay, so that's everything there. Yes. Okay. Now, when I do, where are we? Normal 2, and we go through to, oh, always click that one. Yeah, I can't see through. There you go. They zigzag. They're offset, whatever you like to call it. Wrong one. That one, like the lines. So that is 1.6 done. 1-6. Okay, so let me save that. Now let me resave or save as 1.7. Yes. Now, this is where this is going to come in handy. So we want, let's do that one first. Now I want to put them the other way. See, now they're going from there to there. There'll be no holes here. There's going to be 8 holes here. So we go, okay. See, now there's 8 holes there. We do this one. Swap it round. Okay. I miss okay. There you go. See, now you've got the opposite way. So the other piece of hole is here. This one, the hole is here. So you've just still rebuilding the whole thing, or did convert. Now, if I'd done these holes on top here, there's no way I could have them going through one and not the other. That's why I did the holes on the inside metal part. So that just saved a lot of time. I didn't have to rebuild everything and that. So that is part 107 done. It's actually exact same part, but this part here is mirror. So instead of on the left-hand side, it's on the right-hand side. So the right-hand side is on the left-hand side. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. Hopefully you got some good tips out of that. Got any questions? Got anything not too sure on? Got anything I think I could do differently? Let me know. Always, I love hearing from guys and girls. Click that like button. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It does help me out. And you get notification when new videos come out. So thank you again. And remember, thank you very much.